What's up, affiliate marketers? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about why you have enrolled for this program and how you came to know about this channel. So, thank you guys for supporting me, and let's dive right into it. Welcome to this module, and from here onwards, I'm going to talk about how you can make yourself more into an affiliate marketer, wherein like if you are struggling or if you're just starting out, you know the basics of affiliate marketing, what does it mean and how it's working. This YouTube channel, this is a free one, so this will help you into making proper strategic ways and plans for you to go from zero to hero. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so getting started, this in the following weeks, or as I should say, like what you are going to learn from this is that what you will learn from all these videos, how will you be able to master internet marketing, what are the tools you will require to get started with affiliate marketing, as well as like how you can even drive uh, into like a plethora of products that's inside different affiliate marketing websites or even programs, like 10,000 plus products that are in all different niches you can target. How you can, and the most important part is like you need to know or identify what are the traffic methods that you can apply to these sales funnel. So these are all the strategies that we are going to talk about in the upcoming videos in this channel. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I post another video related to this topic. So which path would you choose? The main question is that whether you are going to be an affiliate marketer, or you want to promote your own products and services. So there are two ways you can use affiliate marketing. You can call it affiliate marketing, but the thing is, like in terms of promoting services, and those are all different sectors. So those are all digital marketing platforms. So which path would you choose? Do There are two ways you can niche down this, either in the vendor central or as an affiliate central. Vendor central is what products and services you provide, you are willing to get affiliates promote your product. That is called vendor central. And affiliate central is like what I'm talking about and what this channel holds. So this is going to be based on affiliate central. So what now? The main question is how you are going to go on from this end. It could really be overwhelming for most of you guys, as because you are starting out. It can happen like you get stuck at some point, and it can happen like you already made some sales but you want to scale it out. So this program is going to help you out with that, but there's one disclaimer: this is not a quick rich scheme. So if people who are into like, I want to make money right now, like tomorrow morning when I wake up, I want to see 1,000K in my bank account, that's not going to happen. Many gurus are providing those kind of glitch or glitchy, that's what I call. Those schemes are not going to happen with this. You'll see how I derive traffic to my own affiliate programs, how you can see like what how to choose programs, how to choose products and services, and all those good stuff. So let's dive right into this. And the most important question is like, why am I going to teach you affiliate marketing? So let me tell you how I got success with affiliate marketing in the before stages. It was overwhelming, as you all know, and you might have felt like you are not getting where you want to go. So this is how I got started. I was also overwhelmed with affiliate marketing before. I was trying a little bit of everything, you can say. So each and every method I tested out, it was not working for me. So then what I did was, it's no doubt that it's hard, but the thing is, there's no problem in this world that's not going to get solved. So there is a solution for every single problem that you can think of. So I enrolled for many affiliate marketing courses and got stuck with one course that seemed the best at that time. So it was like 2015, so 3 years back. So it was ClickBank University. That program I enrolled, and it was quite good. So the prime training, to be honest, the ClickBank University. Let me tell you what is ClickBank. ClickBank is the world's most um, popular platform that houses 10,000 plus products, where you can be a vendor as well as you can be an affiliate. It's just few clicks away to become an affiliate for any kind of program that you feel like promoting. So there are some of the results back in the day when I took action. And to be honest, you have to take action. You cannot just go through all my videos and like think afterwards, after watching like 100 videos, you would going to take action. That's not going to happen. What I'll do is I'll put each and every video on YouTube, and you have to watch them, and you do things that I mentioned in the video. That is how you can get success. Without putting the work that I promote, no one's going to put the work for you. That's the harsh truth. So I'm not going to put the work for you. I'm not going to find new products that are profitable for you. I'm going to show you the pathway to find products. I'm going to show you the ways you can drive traffic to those products. So that is what I'm going to teach. I'm going to teach you how to do that, but you have to do it. So these are coming back to the presentation. These are the um, affiliate fees that I made back in 2015. So you can see like from this chart, it was total of $565. But the thing is, this is quite low, to be honest. Like, but for many of you who are just starting out, you want to make your first sale online, right? So this is kind of a situation wherein I have to teach both of you, both of you, in terms of like those people who are just starting out and those people who have started out but want to take their business to a next level, affiliate business. So you can see from this diagram, like there are many different dates, and at each time how many sales it came to me, what type of transaction type was that, and TID. I'll talk about all these heads. You can identify, you can understand like what's the receipt meaning, what time means, what date means. But the thing is, there are certain key terms in affiliate marketing that you have to know and understand. So that is the most crucial part of affiliate marketing. You have to know your stuffs. I'm going to teach you those things later in my videos, and you have to implement those. So coming back to this, I enrolled for the program that's from the ClickBank itself, the topmost affiliate website in the industry right now after JVZoo. So or even share for sale, any kind of program. So what this is going to talk about, these are the two guys that taught me about affiliate marketing, Adam and Justin. So I enrolled for their course ClickBank University 2.0, and this guy is for the affiliate central portion, and this guy is for the vendor central portion. So yeah, that's it. So let's go on a detailed structure of what's coming in your way. So week one is going to be based on introduction and setting up process for affiliate marketing. What are the setting up goals? You have to set goals before you take action. So this program or this weekly program is going to provide you what you need to do and how you need to implement those strategies into actionable steps. So that is what is week one. Week two is based on affiliate marketing basics and navigation. Like I'm going to use proper tools and methods. So affiliate marketing basics are going to be taught in week two. You have to take this, guys. You have to take this in a slow manner. You can't just rush from week one and go to like the week six of this program and enroll for the or check the videos related to traffic generation schemes. Like those who have already identified what product they are going to do, they can check it out. But for starters, I would suggest you go on a step-by-step basis. You can't just jump from one step to another. Week three is going to be based on researching products in your niche or any kind of niche that you say. Week four is going to be how to build a proper structural way for affiliate funnels and using proper tools to make that. and that's going to be very easy, so you don't have to think about that. Next is week 5, nurturing your list. If you have a lot of list in your email marketing software, we'll use many tools for this. So I'll let you know which tools I'm going to use. Mainly free tools as well as paid also. So whatever suits you the best. So week 5 is going to be nurturing your list. So different content marketing strategies. What are the different content ways you can provide support to your list? Or don't think it as list. The main factor is that you have to think it in terms of like don't think it as list. You have to think it in terms of like customers. So you have to make proper, you have to nurture your customers. So that is in every business, the main purpose is to nurture customers. So that is that. Then week 6 is going to be based on email marketing bonuses. Like what are the bonus, what content you need to put into your email marketing sequence, everything, drip campaign sequence, everything. It's going to be taught in week 6. Week 7 is based on automation tools. Like what tools you can't just sit in your computer in the day and go on till the night, right? That is not going to work. At the initial stage you have to put in a lot of work, but I also did the same. But the thing is, you have to automate your process. That is how people make money. That is how people get success. You have to automate. So I'll show you cool ways to outsource different campaigns, outsource different content from the internet, everything. So that's going to be on week 7. Week 8 is based on the crucial part. Week 8 is the most important section of this program. Week 8 is based on generating traffic for your affiliate program. You have created your landing page, you have created your email marketing sequence, but you have selected your product at the initial stage, but you are not generating any traffic. Will that help? No. So these are the two sides of a coin. You have to indulge into both of them together. You have to make proper, use proper tools to create a pathway for your visitors to check on your product, and you have to understand what are the sources of traffic that you can put into those funnels. So these are all the important things. And the last thing I'm going to tell you is about bonus material. That's a secret. You can see the wink sign. That's a secret. So at the last week, like week 9, I'm going to talk about a bonus material that's going to help you a lot. So this is what I understood from affiliate marketing. From 2015, I was indulged into affiliate marketing, and I can show you some of the results. Um, this is the affiliate marketing website that course training I got from Adam and Justin. So you can see from their website, like they have generated about $3.5 billion in revenue from training, as well as their students have made some contribution into this 3.5 as well. So this is that they have been featured in Business Insider, NBC, TechCrunch, Forbes, etc. So this is going to be a 8-week affiliate program and 12-week vendor class program. They already have all this nitty and gritty. So you can see, check it out if you want. I'll put a link down in the description, so you can check it out. They have all these testimonials. I hope you can find my testimonial somehow. No, it's not there. So after you enroll for this one, you can find it out. So this is it. Oh, cool. They have 30 days money back guarantee as well. So yeah, coming back to the website side of things, like you can check out this one, how much sales I have made. 100, roughly around 130K. So this is one program that I'm using to make sales. So, and don't worry guys, you can make even more sales than this. It's nothing. So I'll teach you from the beginning, like how you can implement strategies of affiliate marketing into this one is actually, let me talk about this one. This one is actually drop shipping business. It's kind of affiliate. Like I don't house the products. I outsource the products and sell them to the customers. I'm an intermediate, like I'm sitting in the middle, making sales. So this is another kind of a strategy for affiliate marketing. You don't need to have the products in your warehouse. You just have to drive traffic to the product, and you just sell that using websites. So this is another kind of a method, so I'll teach you this one as well. So yeah, and I'll show you like how much ad spend I have spent on this particular campaigns, and made like the 130K in roughly around, this is not a lot of time, like it's in 2017, from 2017 till 2018. So this is what I made. So I'll show you how you can do the same also. Don't worry, all these strategies are going to be put in a planned sequence, so you will learn how I got started with this business, and how I ended up making 130K. So like, understand this thing from a viewpoint, like how would you love to have 130K sitting back at your bank account, and you don't have to do any kind of hard working for this. You and I both have gone through like 9 to 5 jobs. So what made you think, and how would you uh, implement this 130K into your business if you have this kind of an a balance sitting at your bank account? So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so that you understand and identify what strategies I use to make these sales, how I use them, and everything. So I'll show you what my ad spend was, and you can identify like how much expenses. This is not a full profit. Like let me just show you. This one is not full 100% profit. This is a gross sales. One resembles like expenses for if Facebook ads. I use paid advertising media. Without paid advertising media, it's not possible. So Facebook advertisement, and how much I have spent on these ads to make it up till like what's the net profit, you can understand from this. Number of returning customers are also there. Then average order value for each customer, I'm making like $60. So this is an affiliate business that is going to take you to the next level, guys. So understand this one, and I'll show you right now how much ad spend I have um, given to Facebook in terms of generating this 130K. So yeah, so you can see from this screen like how much ad spend I have made. This is a live screen, it's not a screenshot. You can see from here. So yeah, total of, if I go to my handy tool pen, just hold on. Yeah, so this much amount I've spent on advertisement and made 130K. So I'll take my calculator and calculate for you guys like how much is it making. Yeah, so $130,000, is it? Yep. And minus this one, 46. I'll round it off to 46,000. So this is around 84,000 in net profit. So you can understand like what and the power of affiliate marketing. So this is, I'm going to teach you from every single step you can take, and I hope you make this, and let's hope to succeed together. I'm going to help you out as much as possible from my side. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section below. Also, you can hit up in my own website, flavorsofdigital.com. You can check out that website, and you can go to the contact section and fill out all the details and necessary information, and I'll try to convey that using email, or even like if possible I'll try to help you out personally also. So let's hope this works, and I'll see you on the next video.